Welcome to DIYbyNZguy. On today's little project, I've got a bit of a problem. Not only is this no use, quite dirty, yeah, coming off, but also I have stuff behind the wall which I can't access because I put it to isolate the wood from the humid air which is under the house, and this is part of the house, so we're gonna have to break this down. As far as I know, there's a beam that's going from that corner to this corner, yep, and we're just gonna have to rip it all out and get access to whatever is behind there. Actually, I already forgot what's behind, so it's gonna be an interesting one. We can always try and punch it, but it's a toughie, so we're gonna have to use a crowbar or something. But yeah, stay around and we're gonna work on this together. So we're gonna see if we can pry this open. Where is it holding? It's somewhere up there. Ah! Jesus Christ, that was close. Let's see if any surprises are waiting for us in there, eh? That's quite crusty under there, eh? Maybe, and you can see all the dust floating as well, maybe I should put on a face mask and safety gloves to avoid breathing all that stuff in. I'm gonna use the vacuum cleaner, tidy it up first, and then I can hopefully continue on without life-threatening dust. Well, we did a bit of cleaning. Just look at this shitty brick work. Like this. How deep does this go? Man, I was wondering, yeah, how can you put your name on work like this and say it's done? Man, the brickwork is so dodgy. Speaking of dodgy, yeah, as you can see, there's some water ingress in here as well, which means we know how to fix this. Just follow the videos on the previous ones. Seeping wall repair. We can follow the same method and get this all fixed up. Let's see what's behind door number 1. Already pre-cracked it. Here's Johnny. Yeah, lots of pipework, lots of dust. Yeah, all unfoldable chairs. That's where I put them. That's right. Alright, we'll continue breaking it piece by piece, then see what we can do with it. So stick around and I'll see what I find.
Time to bring out the friend. first time. They don't make pipe like that no more. Ooh. That shows you there. This house got a few years on it. And heaps to do clean. Oh.
Now pull things out that I can reach. Yeah, this is where the main toilet connects. That's the other newly installed toilet. As you can see, the new pipes are all plastic. The old pipes are all cast iron. Yeah, luckily nothing seems to be leaking. Just need to tidy this up, make sure there's no water seepage from there. But there shouldn't be ground back there. Should be all good. Speaking of all good, what is this? Let's go a quick look. Oh shit. Can't read anything. I never could have expired. It's kind of crumbly. But yeah, I got no use for concrete, especially this old. I don't know what to do with it. What I'll do is I'll get a black rubbish bag, chuck it in there, save it for later, because maybe I will use it, maybe not, but at least I know I've got something they can easily use and throw away, because I don't think the garbage man will appreciate me putting it in an orange bag and sending it out, eh? And back there I can see, oh my gosh, there's like gravel and shit there. I don't know what to do with it, but at least we started it. We're going to tidy up a bit more, remove all these little nails that have been left behind, because I don't want to snag myself onto one. Get rid of that, vacuum all of that up, vacuum around here in general, get all the cobwebs, and oh look, that's where the air comes in into the garage, eh? Okay, that's good to know. And I'll see you guys in a bit. I was pulling out the nails with my trusty hammer, and yeah, this is what I found. What the hell is that, eh? Needle on one end, torture tool on the other. Well, no point of throwing this away. Maybe we save it as a scraper and for scratching. Okay, that was we're gonna keep going. Just a side note, I found something while sweeping up. It's an old coin. Let's take it, tidy it up, and see how old it is. We got some acetone and a rag, so let's see what happens. Welcome back. And I'm gonna see what's hiding underneath all that rust and dirt. Okay, we've got trusty acetone. Okay. Apparently, acetone is good for removing dirt, but not rust. Or in this case, some kind of oxidation on the coin. Yeah, I thought they were rust proof, eh? Maybe it's so old they never did that. Okay. Alright, what can we see, eh? It's hard to make out. I definitely see a queen. And some kind of goddess sitting on a throne with a stick. So this deserves definitely a bit more investigation. So I'll give it a quick clean, some more, and yeah, I'll zoom in and show you. After some vigorous rubbing, even a cloth got holes in it. But here's the result. What I could figure out, it's half pin, half a penny, half a penny. Why don't we have pennies in New Zealand? We've got sense. Yeah, speaking of that lady sitting there, hopefully you can make it out. Let's have a look the other side. Alright, there's our queen. I couldn't make it out. I could understand like Victoria, Day, region, feed, something something. Oh well. But most importantly, the year. Dun 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 dun. It's 1901. It's almost 120 years. Holy moly. We need to Google and see what kind of pin it is. If I find some info, I'll put up some photo or something of a new one, so you know what could be lurking in your garage, eh? Here we go. I found a coin on the internet. Half penny, 1901. Lady sitting on a chair. Queen Victoria. And here are the prices. I think this is to our left is the terrible quality one. This is a pristine quality. So sadly the coin isn't worth that much. I was hoping to make a lot of money so that I wouldn't have to make YouTube videos anymore. Just kidding, just kidding. I make YouTube videos for fun, not to make money. So I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys a bit later. Penny, or in this case half a penny, found somewhere here in this house, and the penny is 120 years old. What does it tell you? Either I've got treasure here, or this house is freaking old. You decide. I'm gonna call it a day for now, because I'm all giggling with excitement. And this has been DIY by NZ Guy.